Because when we're worshipping a Murti or an Ishtadevata, there must be a mantra. There's a mantra for worshipping the Murti or deity or Shila. There's a mantra and there's a method of puja and there's a goal to be attained. So the worshipping of Govardhan Shila will bring one to the lotus feet of Radha Krishna. This is the teachings of Chaitanya Charitamrita. As Govardhan Shila is non-different from Krishna. This is what Lord Chaitanya directly told Das Goswami. You should see that Govardhan Shila is Prajendanandan Sri Krishna. So by worshipping Krishna, who is exhibiting the mode of Haridas, he's Bhagavan in the mode of a devotee, like Gauranga is Bhagavan in the mode of a devotee. Who is the greatest devotee of Bhagavan? Radharani. So there's two modes of the devotee. Lord Chaitanya showed the mode of the devotee in Dasyaras. That's when he was in the Navadvip, and then he was in the mode of Dasyaras. Washing the clothes of the Vaishnavas after he took Diksha, he was humbly washing the clothes of the Brahmins and bringing them to them and doing different humble services in the mode of Dasya. Shinapi Sunichina Karoreva Sushna Amanina Manidina Kirtina Stadana. So he showed the mode of Das Das and Das. Gopi Bhartu Parakamolima Das Das and Das. This is described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So for many years he was very much in this mood. Two bhavas were going on, the Dasyarati service of the Vaishnavas. Chaitanya Charitamrita says when Lord Chaitanya would serve out Jagannath Prasad, he would give as much prasad as 5 men could eat. And he would tell them, eat to your necks, eat Akanta Puriya. So he was very much into serving the devotees. At the same time, he was in the Mahabhava Radharani, Gopi, Gopi, Gopi. So this is Madhuriyavati, the Parakiya Bhava Radharani. So here he's Bhagavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is 100% Jagadguru Sri Krishna. He's the Sarvavatari Sri Krishna. But he's in the Kanti, has the golden color of Radharani and the beautiful heart of Radharani. So here's Bhagavan acting as he's Bhagavan. He can kill the Jagais and Madais with his chakra, or he can become the Shringadev, or he can become Varaha, or he can become anything. And the Shatapaharya, 21 hours of ecstatic bliss in Bhagavad Bhav and Sriva Sangam for 21 hours. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed all the different avatars, Narayan, Sringa, everyone, Ramchandra, Chaitanya Bhagavan. So there he's showing full Bhagavatva. But then he's in Dasyaras and serving the Vaishnavas in a humble way, Das Das and Das. And then he's in Madhurya Rasa relishing. Hey Radhe, Krishna Kahan, and Viraha. So he's Hari and he's Haridas. So Giriraj is Hari, directly Krishna. When Krishna went to Govardhan Hill, and he did puja, and that second form of Krishna was standing on top. Krishna said, oh look, Nandaraj. Bhagavan, Vishnu, he's manifesting on top of the hill, and Krishna is doing puja to himself. To explain to everyone that Govardhan Hill is directly Sri Krishna.